Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yuki Wira Pratama. Smoking on campus can have a negative impact on health in environment. Health impact smoking can cause various diseases, so as lung cancer, heart attack, smoke disease, brain aneurysm, disease, dental oral disease, fertility problem, and diabetes. Environmental impact smoking can cause air pollution, cigarette butt lighter, and the impact of cigarette processing and production on land and water. Cigarette butt are on of the plastic was thus most often found on beaches, making marine ecosystem more vulnerable to microplastic leak. Impact on learning achievement. Smoking can interfere with academic achievement, impair integrity, and learning ability. Impact on the immunity system. Smoking can weaken the immune system, making it difficult to recover from illness. 2. Project Health and the Environment. Campus usually prohibit smoking in all places except in designated smoking area.
2 hours later.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name Yuki Wira Pratama Gusti. Saya akan menjelaskan simple present. What is simple present? Simple present tenses is tension that is used to talk about something general, something that always happiness, repeatedly, or a general truth. Simple present tense is the tenses most often used every day. To recognize that and synthesis is in the simple present tenses, there are several ways you can do it. One of which is that the synthesis is the basis form of the verb. Verb 1 simple present tenses divided into two synthesis parents, namely verbal simple present dan anomaly simple present tense. Characteristic of simple present tenses. 1. The prediction in simple present tenses center in the form of barrel infinity. The meaning of the verb is that this person verb in this sentence and in the letter s or as. 2. If in the form of first sentence, 3 in aqueous sentence, then the word do or does must be an 10 as subject must be added manual nonverbal. Sentence begin with to be, am, are, is. 3. In simple present tenses with a negative form, you need to add the word do not, don't, or does not, does. If 3 is inverted and in as, it must be omitted. Simple present tense function. 1. Express emotion. Feeling. The first function of simple present tenses is to express expression or feeling. 3. Forward. Why you want to express expression and feelings through sentences. You can simple present tenses. 2. Commanded atau instruction. Simple present tenses also function to express command or instruction. Way often see order or instruction using simple present tense. Sentence. 3. The scheduled event. The next function of the simple present tenses is to started an effort that will be held in the near future. 4. General true. Simple present tense synthesis also have the function of expressing and truth that in a row. 5. Repeat action. The action of the last simple present tenses synthesis is to show activities or activists carried out in everyday life. Verbal simple present, the ending s atau es. On verb is only used on the subject he, she, and I. 3 rules for adding the ending s, y to find out which word as the ending s and s is. Verb ending in the letter y and the letter before y is a full, well done, and C is to have verb. Saya becomes say example sample. Sonia say everything is going to be alright. By becomes by example tenses. Dan bouncy. I now game stone solar. Verb ending in the letter y dan the letter before y is a consonant. T add H to the verb and remove the letter Y becomes study becomes study. Example sentence. Budi studies so hard. Pronunciation examination. For verb that and in the letter O, CH, SH, X, dan Z. S in to the end of verb. For example, go become goes. Example tenses. She goes to the market every 1:07 p.m. They to determine what to ask do and when to ask does is. Doe is unset in the subject I, you, they, we. Does is used in the subject he, she, it. Example of simple present tenses that as verbal formula roles are. We go to school, bebas. Kami pergi sekolah menggunakan bus. She goes to school bicycle. Dia pergi sekolah menggunakan sepeda. My friend live in Bandung. Temanku tinggal di Bandung. We don't live in the city. Kita tidak tinggal di kota. Do you know her name? Apakah kamu tahu namanya? Another simple present sentence. In the simple present nominal which has to be. Sentences that has to be are general verb that do not show an action. The formula is nominal simple present, not this. To be am is used for subject I. To be is used for the subject he, she, it. To be is used for the subject certain. You, they, we. Example of sentence that as the to be formal are: my mother is a teacher. Ibu saya adalah guru. They are not from the same class. Mereka bukan dari kelas yang sama. Are you my Andy? Apakah Anda Pak Andi? From is and she an student? Apakah dia seorang pelajar? Simple present tense pattern. Tenses are pattern of basic grammar. When studying tenses, we will come through the terms person singular atau plural, second person singular atau plural, and third person singular atau plural. Actually, what consultation person, second person, and the third person. First person regular. First person is the first person point of view. In the case referring to the speaker or word. In first person singular, the pronoun us is I. If on self in the project, using me may mean. If on self in object, and so ownership. The situation that usually occurs when using the first person singular is where you want to induce your or want to explain yourself. For example, if it is the subject, my nama is Hana, I live in East Jakarta. Example of a simple present tense. If it is the subject, Anja send me at letter. Example of simple present tense showing ownership. This car is mine. Person plural. The pronoun us for first person plural are we if is the subject, us if it is the object, and ours if is show ownership. However, us and our both mean we and us. So to now wait on to us, you have to know the next context of the sentence first. Example tenses are subject, we are from Bandung. Example of tenses as subject, he told us about our house story. Example tenses of ownership in is or dogger. Second person is point of view of second person. Also, we are taught to add time the pronoun us second person singular is you, I, and subject. Yours of to show ownership, just like we or ours. You, your, yours. Ours mean you singular or you plural. The way to find out is to understand the context way is being disjointed. Example tenses as subject, you are the best student in the class. Do you know her name? Example tenses showing ownership, is this your pencil, Andy? This is not mine, this in yours. This person singular, third person us in third person singular, he has, she, it. The situation that author will take about something we who is not present among us. Example tenses as subject, She is banker. Example tenses as object, don't scream in front of her face. Example tenses showing ownership. This is Anish about third person plural. The person plural is third person plural they, them, she. The situation task of willing talking about more on person. Two or more. Was is not present among us. Example tenses as subject, they are from the. Example of tenses as object, I like time. Example tenses so or nothing, their painting is so amazing. Example of simple present tenses positive, negative, and interrogative. Syntax understanding the simple present tenses will be as if we know several examples. Simple present tense positive. 1. He is a teacher. Dia adalah seorang guru. She like burger. Dia suka burger. 2, 3. Read a book. Saya suka membaca buku. Negative simple present tenses. 1. He is not a teacher. Dia bukan seorang guru. 2. I don't like burger. Aku tidak suka burger. 3. I don't read a book. Aku tidak suka membaca buku. Simple present tenses as 1. Is he a teacher? Apakah dia seorang guru? 2. Do she like burger? Apakah dia suka burger? 3. Do I read a book? Apakah saya membaca buku? Thank you everyone. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum.